Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to create a Facebook account. Open any browser, type Facebook, and click Create a new account. Enter all your information here. My data is made up, of course. You'll need to enter a phone number or email address, right? Then I click the register button. Next, complete the CAPTCHA. And you'll need to take a video selfie. In 48 hours, your account will be created. That's it. This has been Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.